All right, Tool fam. For those of y'all who don't know what sleep is, don't ask me because I don't know either. So let's jump right into it. This is kind of a long one. Shout out to Ted, JD, Tool Nerd, Eugene, Philly Fix. If I'm leaving someone out, my bad. I'll add y'all in the description down below after I post this. So right off the bat, we've got the 3/8 stubby over at Mechanics Gear. Now it does show at 179, but add it to the cart, drops down to 136. And I believe this is with shipping included. But don't at me on that. I'll leave a link in the description down below. There is another place called Mississau Gear or something like that where you can get the stubby shipped for 129 to your door, but it's coming from Canada. So I don't know. I'm a little hesitant to post that deal here. If y'all still want to see that deal, let me know in the comments down below and I'll post that later as a community post. So hop into the next deal. Over at Lowe's, we've got some deals on Metabo. I'm surprised nobody posted this yet. I was kind of underwater earlier today, but right now they've got the brand new subcompact set. This does come with 1.5s, however, nothing spectacular, but I mean, they look pretty neat. Charger in the bag, and you get your choice of a jigsaw or the compact hacksaw. So not a terrible deal there. If you're in the Metabo lineup, you've got the multi-volt batteries or the 3s. This could be right up your alley. Continuing on the Metabo train, we've got the starter set. Yeah, I know, $199 is pretty steep considering you're only getting a 4 in the charger. But if you go down here to select your free gift, you'll see that they're willing to throw in the 7.25-inch right blade circ saw. It's pretty nice. And of course, that monster recip with orbital function. This thing used to cost about $279 bare tool. For some reason, they're clearing them out. Go figure. So I will leave links to those in the description down below as well. And looking a little more carefully at the white cap stuff from yesterday, they've got some wild stuff here, fam. If you just browse through the website, this is all correlating to World of Concrete, so most of their concrete-oriented gear, or just really most of their bare tools, are ridiculously cheap. For example, the high torque. If you throw it in the cart, it says 30% off. 174 bare tool. Well, 175 really, but that's a bare tool for the high torque. I think only the deal we had last fall where this was $199 with the 4, the charger in the bag, beats this out. But that was a hard deal to get. This is pretty darn good. Yes, you have to deal with some shipping fees, but I believe most of y'all have been telling me it's around $7 for the bare tool. The kits are where Whitecap kills you. They try to hit you with freight shipping. But, I mean, if you're looking for a bare tool, you can't go wrong with these. These are pretty nifty, rocket light. Check that out, fam. $139 for the rocket light. And this isn't really a deal, but I've never seen this set before. It is 100 teeth Husky ratchets. They do come with a lifetime warranty, and they come in black. It's a 5-piece set, lifetime warranty, a nifty little holder, plus that palm ratchet. That's a pretty good deal in my book, considering the other Husky ratcheting sets, you only really get about 3 of them. and they're a little more, I think $70. So nothing groundbreaking or earth shattering, but I do like it. I'll drop a link in the description down below for this one as well. And the final deal for tonight in all of my searching, but of course I didn't find this one. This one comes from Ted. You can get the compact 8¼ inch job site table saw from Dewalt with that super nice rolling stand for $359 for the bundle. That's actually a pretty darn good deal. The stand itself goes for $159. There's not much more to say about that. If you're in the trades, you know about this table saw. You know it's good, it's solid, it's lightweight. You throw in that stand, that's a steal of a deal, fam. And as always, I'll leave links to all these deals in the description down below. I'll see you guys later, fam. Have at it. Good luck.